Hey guys, Birds are the Best IT here, and today I'm gonna be talking about my first bird I ever had. His name was Sonney. So yeah, let's get started. So Sonney, so Sonney, I got on in 2019, on my 10th birthday, and I we made a mistake. We got a cat for my sister's birthday, and I think you know what we're going with. So yeah, let's continue. So yeah, Sunny, he was a Lintuna pied cockatiel. He I'm not ashamed of this, but he was my best friend. And I'm just letting you know I cried a lot because it was hard because I really I really loved him. He was like a brother to me. And I wish he would be able I wish I just could be able to see him one more time. But I know I can't. So, yeah. Ah, he. So, I'll talk about the cat. His name is Ollie. We still have him because he's my sister's cat. So, right there is where Sonny got killed. And I don't. And I know he's always with me, even through really hard times. Like the same as he was alive.